So, hello everyone, my name is Ravindra. I welcome you to this series, Learn with Me Microsoft Power BI. So, in our last video, we see how to create a rolling calendar. Okay, if you have not watched this video, I request you to watch this video because in this video we are created a rolling calendar. Okay, so this type of calendar we have to create uh, in our live projects as well. Okay, for now we are just doing practice. You can perform the operations on the rolling calendar as well, or the calendar lookup that I provided. So both columns are same now. Okay, in the calendar lookup only up to the 2023 dates are present, but in the rolling calendar the today's up to today's date is present. But for now we are doing for practice, so I just use calendar lookup, but you can be perform operation on the rolling calendar as well. Okay, so in this video we are looking for the performing operations on the date and time, means this column. Okay, so all the this part we will see in this video. Okay, before that I just want to ask you one question. Okay, what is the difference between transform and add columns? Okay, can you guess what is the difference here? So as transform and add column. So transform, in this ribbon, some of the operation is same similar type of operation is present in the this column as well. Okay, you can be seen. In the transform, we can be applied the operation on the selected column itself. And in the add column, the new column will be created by using the add column. So we have to create some of the new columns like day, month number, week number, quarter, start of the year. So this type of new columns we have to create. So we are using the add columns. Okay, here. So let's we create first day, which day this is. So simply you have to go to the adds column and just click on the day. Okay. So day is in number format we got here. Okay. So let's we go here. So while selecting, just re-go and select the add column. Okay, date column. Then go to the add column, day of week, and here is the name of the day. So just we click on the name of the day. So we get the name of the day. So this is a on the first of 2020. It is Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so this type. So select this column while doing this operation and keep the mind. Okay, after that we just have to start end of the day, day of week. So we have required some of the columns, so we just created day name. From here you can just perform the name, change the names as well. Okay, after that we just create start of week column, means on which week this is starting. So here is we present week function. Okay, let's we click on the date, just go to the week, and the very start of week option is present. So simply click on that. If you have to change the start of week from the Monday or to the Saturday, you can change that from here. Okay, but for now we are not required. It's take start of week is Sunday. Okay, sorry, Monday. So we are not required this, so we kept as it is. After that we just create start of month column. So let's go to the month section and just click on the start of month. Similarly, we have to create one more column here, okay? That is month names, okay? So we require month name. So we go the month and the last. So we get the month names now. Now we want the year, okay? So let's we go select the date column. Just go to the add columns. Then we go to the year and the select the start of the year gives the starting date of the year, and the year function will give the year only, okay? So in this case we create both the columns year as well as start of the year as well. So in this you can be see only year we get, okay? So this we go in the add columns, then we simply go and select our date column, okay? And from the date column we just go and select start of the year. Can be see start of the year we will get here. Then we have month number as well. So let's we create month number. So it will help you we to perform date related operations while creating front end dashboard. So let's we go in the month. Simply we have to click on the month, okay? So we will create month number column is created. After that, we have start of the quarter. So in every 4 years we have quarter, okay? So let's we create one quarter also. Let's we go and create start of quarter. One more column. So start of quarter is column is created for now. For first of Jan, 4th of Jan, okay. Great. So we are just created our complete calendar, okay? So in this you can be see we are created all dates. We have day name, start of week, start of month, year, start of year, month, and so on, okay? So now also we have some of the more options, okay? So you will perform the data operations. That's all for friends. If you have any question, any doubt, you can be asked in the comment box, okay? For now, keep learning, keep growing, and keep